What is up, guys? Alright, so due to so many of you guys asking me to do a tutorial on my transformation video, I decided to, fuck it, why not make a tutorial on it? So the first thing we're going to talk about today is the jawline. So I don't really think my jawline is that great, but apparently many of you guys think it is, to the point where I'm like, fuck it, I'll make a tutorial on it. Alright, so there are three major things I did to make my jawline appear the way it is now. Now also, before I start the video, I know a lot of people are going to say it's genetics. Yeah, sure, genetics plays a huge role, but then again, you know, are you going to let that stop you from fucking being your best? No, kings, no, fuck that. You're gonna overcome that shit. And before we get into the three reasons, please smash the like button and subscribe so that way the video gets pushed out to more people. Alright, now let's go to the video. Alright, so the three things I did was, number one, working out. Now I know this seems very obvious, but it is the most important thing out of all of the three things I'm about to mention. Why? Because if your jawline looks like this, it's being covered by a lot of body fat. You need to lose that so your jawline appears more. Now there's other things as well that we're going to talk about later on, but that's the number one thing. How did I exactly lose a lot of body fat at that short amount of time? Well, if we ask my boy
Max K Official,
he's the one who actually helped me out, and I really am grateful that I met this guy. He's the closest thing I know to a Greek god. I mean, look at him. Look at his body. Fuck, man, I'm jealous. Like that is a Greek god's body right there. Like, I don't know what else to say. Oh, so fucking nice! Anyways, he actually really helped me out a lot. Things on what should I do. Now, basically, I thought always, you know, oh, sprinting, doing jump ropes, you know, the best way to lose body fat. Based on what I know and what I've been told, it seems like it is, but it's not something your body can do consistently. You know, if you're sprinting a lot, you know, your body's gonna get tired and your body needs to recover from that. So, something you can do to always consistently keep losing body fat quickly is walking on a treadmill incline. So basically walking uphill. What that does is that your body is gonna just constantly keep burning off calories, and it's something your body can consistently do without getting tired. You can do this for hours and your body will not get tired. Whereas like sprinting or doing jump ropes, sure, you know, it's a lot, but you can't do that for a long time. Even if you could, your body's gonna be sore as fuck and it needs time to recover. Now, walking uphill on a treadmill, that's something your body can consistently do and really quickly recover from. So that is why it's the best way to lose a lot of body fat. You have to do this consistently as well. You can't just be slacking off, like doing this, you know, 3 times a week. I would do this for like 5 times a week. And also diet, it's a very important thing. Diet's a very important thing. If you're out here drinking beer like every weekend, eating a lot of junk food, you have to change your lifestyle as well in order to actually lose body fat. You can't just keep living the same lifestyle. Okay, so we're here at the gym now and we're at a treadmill, and after a while, you're gonna start sweating a lot from this. So here it is, look. Since I'm talking to the camera, it's really hard and my hands are gonna be super shaky, but I usually would have a 3.5. And honestly, you can have this at any setting you really want. I think doing like the above the 10 range is the best. Number 2, chewing a lot of fucking gum. I got this from Costco. As you can see, it's a lot of gum packs. It's quite a lot. On average, I would chew about 5 to 10 pieces a day. Yes, that's a lot, but I mean, it kind of worked. I think it kind of worked. But basically what I'm trying to say from this is that the reason why I really believe chewing a lot of gum helped me was because, you know, sure, one piece alone by itself is not gonna do much because it's very tiny. But if you chew like 5-10 pieces all in once, just crumbled, you're gonna notice that it's kind of harder to chew all of a sudden. Like, it's gonna start straining your jaw muscles, and it's gonna get sore the next day. And I know there's gonna be a lot of people in the comments saying,
oh, shut the fuck up, Daniel. You don't know shit about jaw muscles. Gum has nothing to do with building jaw. It's all about losing body fat. You're so stupid, Daniel.
Okay, maybe I am stupid, but at least I'm not an idiot. Those kind of comments are coming mainly from people who don't have any jaw muscles. So like, it's up to you, you know, who to listen to. But I really do believe chewing a lot of gum helped me. Now, you gotta be careful with what gum you chew, because I know there's a lot of gum that's unhealthy, that's like bad for your teeth. Now, this is the specific gum I choose. I got it from Costco. You can see it's a 20 pack, which is a lot. This would only last me like, I don't know, like 1 week, and then I have to buy a whole new pack again, because I do chew a lot of gum, okay? You have to understand that 1 is not enough. I chew like 10 pieces a day at once. And number 3, using jaw products. There are several jaw products online that you can buy that are designed at like either a ball or like a little chew toy that you put in your mouth. and it has a lot of force to chew on. So you would just bite it, and then just over time, it's just basically the amount of reps you do on it. It just makes your jaw muscles sore and your muscles just start building up from it. But based on some research and science, it seems that it is not actually that safe for you. Long-term wise, it will damage your mouth because your mouth is not designed to chew on products or things of that force. So over time, it will become weaker and to the point where it would just not work properly anymore. You can use that at your own risk. I'm not saying you should buy that, but I did buy that. I'm not gonna say which specific product I use because
Cloud ain't free, baby.
but overall, using that product is the equivalent of like using like 30 of these at once. And even if I did chew like 30 pieces at once, I don't think that's safe for my teeth either. But yeah, those are the 3 things I did to overall get my jawline look. If you want to know exactly what product I use for that jaw muscle I was talking about in number 3, you can always get my merch on my website, nationalwafflesnation.com, link in my bio. And if you do get this and email me or DM me, I will respond back and tell you exactly what you want to know. Whether it's a question about my jaw, hair, skincare routine, or if you want to ask me on a date, I don't know. I will answer back, all right? Because I'm getting a lot of people on my Instagram and TikTok. It's hard to like DM back everyone. So I think this is an easy way. I mean, come on. It's a pretty comfortable hoodie. Come on. You can't admit that's beautiful. Come on. That is so nice. Here. I'll wear it. I'll wear it. All right, there it is. What do you think? I think it looks fucking cute. Like, come on. You gotta admit, that's fucking cute. That is so fucking cute. Come on. That is cute. And we have these in multiple colors as well. Red, black, blue, any other colors you want. And if you send me a photo of you wearing this, I will upload it to the website and you can be one of our official models, which will be pretty fucking dope. And if you haven't yet, smash that like button and subscribe to the YouTube account. I'll just let YouTube know that, hey, let's push this video out to more people. And it literally only take you 3 seconds of your time and it'll make such a huge impact to me. I really do appreciate this. Thank you so much again, guys. And I hope you all have a nice day. Take care, guys. Peace.